Always Dreaming won the Kentucky Derby. Up next, the Preakness Stakes. A win there, and it's on to Belmont with a chance to become just the 13th horse in history to win the Triple Crown. For America's Best Racing, I'm Joe Kristufek with the Triple Crown Rundown, and this week's top 10 will reflect my selections for Saturday's Preakness Stakes. Number 10 is Term of Art. Well beaten in 4 consecutive graded stakes at Santa Anita, he'll need to improve by leaps and bounds in order to make an impact in the Preakness. Number 9, Multiplier. The winner of the Illinois Derby at Hawthorne last out in his first graded stakes attempt, he'll face an even tougher task at Pimlico. A strong close led to a narrow win in Keeneland's Lexington Stakes for number 8, Senior Investment, but this pace-dependent colt likely won't have strong fractions to kick at in Baltimore. A troubled 7th in the Kentucky Derby, number 7, Gunnevero will be making his 5th start in 15 weeks. It might be time for a well-deserved vacation. An even 3rd in the wood, number 6, Cloud Computing will likely stalk a moderate Preakness pace. He could hang around for a share at a big price. Number 5, Looking at Lee got a dream rail trip and finished 2nd in the Kentucky Derby. Chances are he won't be as fortunate this time around. Traffic trouble and lots of mud in the face may have stopped number 4, Hence in the Derby, but he could bounce back in a big way in the Preakness. 2nd in the Sunland Derby and the Arkansas Derby, number 3, Conquest Mo Money is a fresh pace presser. He could be in perfect position throughout his Preakness voyage. All but eliminated at the start of the Kentucky Derby, number 2, Classic Empire ran on to be 4th. He shook off the standing 8 count and is ready for more on Saturday. An Alert Break, a perfect trip, and a fantastic ride aboard the best horse by Johnny Velasquez added up to a Kentucky Derby win for Always Dreaming. He's bounced out of it with lots of spring in his step and will likely prove tough to beat once again. Can Always Dreaming win the Preakness and set himself up for a run at history in the Belmont? Who's your most likely upsetter? Join the conversation on Twitter using the hashtag TripleCrown17.